So you do want to regenerate the plastics which is discolored, and here's the product that I use. This is my experimental screwdriver, Stanley screwdriver box, and what I've done is I used a foam brush. It took 48 hours after applying this. They have different versions of this Penetrol. I used this one, just like a experimental version, and that it seems like it is unbelievably, it just technically regenerated the surface. You can see that even when I left the whole box outside, you can see that it is very, very shiny. I mean, the other side is dusty, and really you can see that it's not like, this Penetrol is just like a clear coat. It just does really bring back the shine, and it's really smooth. The surface is really smooth, and I also applied to a couple of different areas. Like here you can see that on the black surface of a shop vac, this is really good, great looking. It's like almost like a clear coat or heat gun trick, like once you apply the heat gun over the surface. But with the heat gun, I mean, if you're not careful, you'll definitely burn the plastic. Ask me how I know. And this Penetrol is way more forgiving. I don't know what I checked the MSDS, but what they technically, it says that for paint and stuff, what they did with the product's chemical level. But this is really good. I mean, I've been trying to scrub it for a couple of times, and like this is, I believe this is going to be, I've seen other YouTubers, they used it on the car plastics and whatnot, and it seems like it does really good job for the plastics. It brings back that shiny look. But as again, I applied onto this surface, and this is like a test surface. What I will do is that I will leave this box exposed to sunlight for, roughly speaking, 6 months or even a year. So and also rain. I don't know what the rain will do. And after that, I will just technically be able to tell that if it is going to last, because some people suggested and said that this will not last more than a year on the car plastics because of the rain and elements and whatnot. And the other thing is that this thing is very sticky. As you see that once you apply to the surface, if you make a mistake, like I had a little bit of splitch here, it just like the whole handle got stick to it, and it is, it's like a gluish, kind of. Once it dries, it's like a, I don't know how to describe it, but it is really, it's like a very thick, clear coat, like a appearance. Like it's not like soft. It's not like gummy. Once it is dried, and you cannot just technically, you see that I'm applying a lot of force to, at least pop it off, but it doesn't want to come off from the surface. So assuming that this is a smooth surface, and assuming this thing is sticking really strong and really well, I do believe that on the plastics it might go more than a year, but only time will tell. As again, that I will do the tests and follow ups hopefully, and you'll see that after 6 months or so how it will look. All right, all the best. Thank you so much.